Skin and fur issues are probably among the biggest and most frequent complaints we consistently hear from our valued guests, their spouses, their grandmothers, and indeed all the people around us. Skin and fur, shedding, unhealthy skin, these are problems we encounter very frequently. Of course, the first condition for quality skin and a quality coat is a healthy body, healthy nutrition. But beyond that, animals have a different type of skin covering than we do. Since they don't wear clothes, there is a different layer of oil on their skin. This is to protect the skin. And in indoor conditions, that is with animals that go outside and come back in, or those that stay at home, we very often see this protective layer being disrupted. We really observe a very high rate of issues like shedding, redness on the skin, constant licking, or certain areas opening up, as reported by many of our patients and their relatives. Now, for the treatment of this, we have two products that serve as supportive care. The first is our shampoo, Green Cure. Both Green Cure and Derma Cure, which comes in spray form, are very valuable products. Why is that? First of all, every single raw material inside is extremely valuable and functional. Secondly, the carrier system for these raw materials, namely the liposomal system, is a system we have developed for the first time in the veterinary field in Turkey. Both products contain Procapil, which you are very familiar with, especially for men. There is the active ingredient Procapil, found in shampoos that promote hair growth, which suppresses the hormone that causes hair loss and helps healthy, new hair to grow. In about 2 months, the animal's coat is renewed. Women know ceramide very well. Women also know panthenol very well. And again, rice bran oil. These are very special products. Horse chestnut is also a very valuable product of ours. Collagen is, again, the building block of the skin. A large number of active ingredients have come together. Actually, I always say this. Each of these is used in a separate product. We humans, us. There is horse chestnut shampoo, there is rice bran shampoo. By bringing all of them together, our primary goal with the new product for animals was to provide a fast and effective solution. As a shampoo, Green Cure is in liquid form, but especially since it's not really possible to bathe cats, and you can't bathe them all the time either. We also offer Derma Cure as a spray. What do these do? First of all, ceramide, collagen. With such ingredients, with active substances, it accelerates the restructuring and renewal of the skin. With the postbiotics inside, it regulates the skin's microbiome, that is, its bacterial balance. It eliminates itching, burning, redness, and even spots. When the animal isn't itching, it doesn't develop a licking habit. So if we want a healthy, shiny skin and coat for daily use in animals, Derma Cure, which contains liposomal technology and postbiotic technology, and Green Cure for our washes, will provide us with healthy skin and coat. How and when should we use it? Bathing is very difficult with cats. Honestly, anyone who can bathe their cat, I congratulate them because I can never bathe mine. But with cats, it's often possible to use Derma Cure every day, and even in cases of itching, redness of the skin, or eczema, we can use Derma Cure 2 or 3 times a day. In healthy animals, we can easily use it every other day to maintain skin balance and coat health. With dogs, shampoo is more practical to use, especially in cases of allergies, itching, or skin redness. Green Cure is very fast acting. After that, it can also be used comfortably for washing healthy animals. We know now, and our fellow veterinarians already recommend it this way, if we want dogs to be washed more frequently than once a month, washing them every 15 days is appropriate. When we use Green Cure in every wash, both skin balance and coat health remain continuously optimized. As I said, and I'll say it again, this is the reason. Liposomal technologies and the active ingredient inside that we're all familiar with. As soon as these substances penetrate the skin, they go beneath the skin layer. And from there, it continues to carry out renewal processes, as well as anti-inflammatory, anti-itch, and anti-redness actions. So both for daily use, and also for issues like eczema and itching, we can continue to use it.